Hey guys, so tonight I thought I'll do a nice good sized pot of steamed mussels. I've already cooked off some pancetta in the pan, which is right here. Just pulled her out this now, and I'm rinsing the fat of it with a little bit of avocado oil to help it along. I am going to ditch some of this oil in here and fat because it's a lot in here and we don't need that much for this. So I'm going to pour some in this little bowl here. You need the rest in there to saute up the rest of our goodies. I'm going to turn this back on. You put it on low right now. Excuse me, guys. Now, what pancetta is, it's Italian bacon. It's round, it's not cured. If you don't have pancetta, you can't find pancetta, then regular bacon's fine. uh, we're going to use some of that fat to cook shallot and garlic before we put our mussels in. So these guys here, these are mussels. They're alive. They're not dead. They're alive. So they come in a netting bag. You keep them in that bag in your fridge uh, until you use them. What I've done here, I have put them in some water with about a tablespoon and a half to 2 tablespoons of flour and mixed it around and let it sit. And that's what it does is they drink up that water and it discharges any sand that's in them and grit. You don't want to eat that. They also have what's called a beard on them, and I already removed them. So you just pull them out and go up and down to get it all out. Now, if you have one that is not closed all the way, then all you have to do is give it a little push, and if it closes, it's still alive. If it doesn't close, it's dead. Get rid of it. This guy, you also want to look for is broken shell. So you see a broken shell, toss it out. He's already dead. So I'm going to drain this. A couple of rinsings of cold water as well, just to get all that remaining flour and good. One more. Now this is a quick dish. So it makes a quick and easy, delicious supper as well. So I'm gonna set these guys right here for right now. Go back there and check them. They all look gorgeous. So let's talk shallots. If you don't have shallots or you don't like shallots, you can use onion. But I love shallots. Shallots get sweet when you cook them, so it's really nice in this. So add that to the pan. And it's got 3 shallots that I diced. Move it around. And I got this on low right now because I'm nice and hot. The smoke getting me a little bit, guys. The pan jet off to the side for a bit. Get those cooking up. Now, we'll add a little bit of salt and black pepper. Then on minced garlic. Throw that in. Get that a minute. with the bottom of that pan to get those crispy bits up before we add the rest of our steaming liquid, which is white wine. You want to use the white wine that you drink from a glass to cook with, because what you're doing is constituting the flavor of the wine. So it's about a cup and a half, 2 cups of wine. I'm just going to put the rest of this wine in. You really work that around. Really work that around and get those crispy bits up. And that's going to be part of the steaming liquid for your clams. Sorry, for your mussels. You guys do clams as well. It's the same process. So if you guys have any comments or questions, feel free to shoot them my way, and I will answer them the best that I can for y'all. Hopefully I'll be able to answer them for y'all. And feel free to give the video a like and subscribe to my channel. I mean, that's very much appreciated, guys. It really is. So with the mussels, I got about 2 pounds. 2 to 3 pounds is enough. 2 pounds is enough for 4 people, close enough. Maybe 3 people, 3 pounds to 4 pounds is enough for 4 people. So we want to turn this up more so it comes back up to heat. And we are also going to, since I don't think there's enough of a liquid, enough steaming liquid in there for these, I'm going to add some water to it as well. So about maybe a cup. Actually, no, 2 cups of water. Yeah. And since we have the water, what we're going to do is going to re-season with salt and pepper. Get that stir around. Put the lid on. And we're going to let that come back up to heat. So this is an example of what I was telling you guys about with the mussels, even with clams too. If it's open like that, give it a push, and then see if it'll close. If it doesn't, then toss it out, throw it out. It's dead. It's no good. And this guy close back up. We'll go and double check these again, and they look good. So we're going to do a little cleanup action here. We're waiting for that to come up. Remember, guys, a clean kitchen, it's a happy kitchen. I know that sounds like at the school special right there. And again, if you can't find pancetta, which most markets will have it in the deli department, then you can use bacon. That's probably fine as well. But like I said, most deli departments now and national grocery stores, you can find pancetta, even prosciutto. So if you don't want to spend the price on pancetta, you can always wait for it to go on sale and look for the sales on it, or let's go ahead and use bacon. Like I said, it's fine. Bacon gives the same effects that you want for it. So I'm hearing good things happening in this pot. It's starting to generate some steam. So once it comes up to a boil, we're going to cut it down about to medium low. Then add our mussels in. Give them a little stir, cover them, and let them go for about 3 to 5 minutes. They don't take long. So once they open up, they are done, beautiful and gorgeous. Once they open, so we like getting beautiful things happening here. You can smell the wine. This broth looks a little dark because of the pancetta fat, but that's okay. You would want some good crusty bread to sop up this broth. I don't have any good crusty bread with me today, but that's alright. I'll still drink it. So let's see here. That's coming up. I can hear it doing lovely things. It's actually almost up to a simmer at this point. So what we want to do, we want to give it a low stir. And now, we start adding our mussels in. And I've done this with mussels and clams. Or clams, but I've done it with clams also. In the same pot. So slowly add these in. Try not to burn yourself or anything. I know there's a good amount of liquid in there, but that's okay. They are going to steam and open up. Oh, right. So all those are in. Get them stirred on here. And now we cover and let them go for 3 to 5 minutes. So in the meantime, do a little cleanup. And make a little something to drink. No alcohol today, TVs. Uh, where are you taking it So let's take a look here. So we're looking, they are starting to open up, but they're not all open yet. So we got a bowl ready. Got a drink buzzed up here. Mm. It's like a delicious grape soda slushy. So this is a little drink mix. And ice and water. Alright. Go ahead and bring our pancetta back over here. Voila. So, like I said, guys, pancetta is Italian bacon. It's not smoked and cured. So, it's more of its natural raw state for bacon. Um, mm. Happy pancetta dance. I need to stop eating that because then we're going to be gone. We're not going to have the garnish with our mussels here. And again, if you can't find pancetta, you can use bacon as well. Applewood smoked bacon would be amazing in this. Now, speaking of our mussels here, I think we did it, guys. Let's see. It all open up. Open up loveliness. Almost. They're almost there. They're almost all open up. Nice. So let's wait and see here what happens. Hot! Put the lid back on. I'm gonna grab a plate to put my bowl under. So I got some place to put the shells. And small and do nicely. Just like so. And grab a fork. Take a little drink. So guys, let me know what kind of seafood you guys like. Like earlier today, I did some shrimp tacos. So that video is up. So check that one out. If you like shrimp tacos or shrimp. It's also my video for my orange shrimp stir fry. If you like that route, a Chinese food and whatnot. But also, guys, like I said, comment, like, subscribe, even share the videos. And if you guys feel like you want to make something that I've done, go ahead and send me a photo of it on my Instagram, which is at Big Ben's Big Shop or something, and show me what you guys done to see your guys' take on it. I would love to see that. Let's give these guys another peek. So at this point, if they're not all open, then you need to leave those in there for a little bit longer to see they open up, or just discard them. We're actually pretty good here, guys. So what we want to do is get some in a bowl, get some of that broth, and deliciousness that's part of that broth. Put this down. Put the lid back on it. And top with a crispy pancetta. And there we have it, guys. Seasoned mussels and white wine, shallot, and garlic. With crispy pancetta. These guys open right up just like that. See what we did here. Flavor is great, guys. So, guys, please feel free to comment, like, subscribe, and share the video. And I'll see you guys next time.